How to do a green screen in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can do a green screen in CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. Tap a new project. Now you have to select the background for your green screen video. So for now, I will just add a green screen or the background for the green screen. So this will be my background, and then tap on add. So once you have added your background, if you want to add your green screen, tap on overlay, tap on add overlay. Now you have to add your green screen video. So select it and then simply tap on add. Once you have added your green screen video, if you want to adjust it with your screen so that it is fully fitted, you can do that. If not, you can leave it like this as well. So once you're done with that, in order to remove the green screen, again tap on the overlay option or the overlay video on your timeline, and then navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of your interface. You have to swipe that to your left, and here select remove background. On the remove background, there is an option for Chroma Key. Tap on it. Then you will see this color picker on your interface. Then you have to pick the green color, and with that the background is now removed. If you want to increase the intensity, with the help of the slider you can increase the intensity as well. So increase the intensity a little bit. If you want to add shadow, you can do that as well, but that is optional. Once you're done, all you have to do is simply tap on this tick mark, and with that the green screen has been removed from this video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.